Hello my dudes, it's your girl, cybr.grl. I just got back from Colorado with my family and I got mail from my mailman, and my mailman, he handed me 2 packages that I never would have expected that I would ever receive, because these 2 brands, like, I worship at their feet. I love both of these brands, so I was very excited when they contacted me, and I also cried a little bit. It was great, but you know, I just got both of them and I've yet to open them, and so I really want to see what's inside. I know what is in it, but I've not held it in my hands, and so we're gonna, you know, enjoy this moment together and experience all the feels of opening these 2 magical packages together. So come join me on this journey. So the 2 brands that sent me packages are gonna be Irregular Choice. And if you've not heard of Irregular Choice, they are a brand from the UK where they specialize in shoes and accessories, and not just any kind of shoes and accessories that you can find at the mall, wherever. They specialize in like very unique pieces. So it's definitely not something that you see out on the streets every single day. And yeah, like, I've always wanted to buy shoes from them, but because of the fact that it's so unique and I hear that the quality is really good, it is a little out of my personal price range. But you know, we'll get to see if it is that great quality that everybody says, and we'll, you know, knock on it a little bit, see what's up with these. And I'm also really excited for this big guy. Oh my gosh, he's huge. So this is from ACDC Rag. They are a brand from Harajuku, Japan. Oh yeah, it says right here in the box. Harajuku style, no border since 1980. Holy cow! 1980, wait, how many? It's 2019. 2019 minus 2018. Wait, no, what did I just say? 2019 minus 19. Okay, I can't math. I'm just gonna give up right now. But yes, that's a long time. I was born in 1995, so okay, that's more math. Never mind. And it says right here on the back of the box, no borders, fashion should be for everyone. Amen. We encourage freedom of expression no matter what age, gender, country, or rules. We believe this is Harajuku style. I think these are their first line of shoes. I don't think I've ever seen them make shoes ever before, and so this is very exciting. And the shoes that they made this time around, there aren't like flats, they're all platform shoes in various different designs. So they have them in different styles for every kind of style. So they have a pastel pair, they have a dark kind of gothic pair, and oh, and they also had a collaboration with Purple Girl. So that's another one of their designs that they actually sent to my friend Shawnee Boy, and I'll link him down below so you can check him out. But they also sent him a pair of their new ACDC Rag shoes, and they sent him the Purple Girls. But they sent me something really rainbow and colorful, so I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox these boxes, because I literally cannot wait anymore. This whole time that I've been talking, I just wanted to rip. Let's start with Irregular Choice. Now, for I don't know if I can do this. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Okay. I don't know what song this is. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to open. Okay, wait. What the heck? Why is it not? Please copyright. Okay, that's just a normal box. I don't know what I'm doing. So the box has handles, as you can see, which is very nice and nifty. But inside the box is the magical thing that we've been waiting for. And as you can see, there's like really cute packaging that really nice. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, there's a card in here. It says, Disclaimer, these beautiful concept heels have been crafted by hand, ooh, and therefore some small imperfections may be present. Okay, we'll see. That is really cool. I think it's really awesome that these were crafted by hand, like actual human hands with flesh. Like, that's amazing. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god! Oh, look at him! Oh my word! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, these are even more beautiful in person. Like, are they okay? And I haven't shown you the best part yet because it's hiding behind this wrapping paper. Oh, even the sole. Ah! There he is, Mr. Gnome. Oh man, look at his beautiful pink glittery beard that matches his shoes perfectly. Oh man, and his fit, I love. Bask in the beauty of these amazing shoes. Like, every part of it is just absolutely beautiful. For like 100%, just everything. On the sole, the material that's here is like mesh but squishy. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it feels bouncy. So I feel like this would really help with wearing heels because heels are quite hard to walk in. I actually don't have a pair of heels, so these are your girl's first pair of heels, but they're perfect. So I'm really happy, and we'll see how it is to walk in them later. But yes, I am very happy child right now. Let's open the other pair and see how they look like together. Alright, so here they both are. Oh my gosh. Ah, look, twins! Oh my goodness. Ah, like I don't even know. They're just too good. So as you can see, the bottom says love, and there's really cute birds on them. And the inside is holographic-y. Has this like rainbow gradient and glittery rainbow with bedazzled stuff on it. And it's amazing. Like 100% definitely worth the price that it is at. And like, you hear that? That's a good knock right there. I think these would withstand some pretty good dance moves on the dance floor. Now, let's move on to ACDC Rag. Oh man, they're heavy. Like, I didn't know they were gonna be this heavy. But I'm hoping that the shoes aren't gonna be super heavy. These are like my initial thoughts before I open it. But yeah, because I like platforms. I have tons of platforms, and hopefully I'll get to show them to you guys in the future. But I really love platforms that are tall but not too heavy, because it can kind of feel like you have rocks when you walk. So we'll see. First, let us check out. Guys! Dun, 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 dun. Look at these hefty boys! Hold on. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's so much paper in here. Hold on. It's gonna take me a minute. Hold on a second. Let me, okay, I can't get that out. I need a fork or a knife or something to dig that out, but yes. These are the amazing shoes by ACDC Rag, and as you can see, they have the their iconic candy print on it. Oh my gosh, like I am obsessed. Like, if this was like a living being, I would marry it right on the spot. Like, absolutely amazing, and the height of the platform, I like that it's really tall, and yeah, like I also really like platforms that go up high, like they're high cut. Because, you know, if you have them low cut, it's kind of hard to walk on them. So this definitely gives you a lot of support, and I really love, you know, everything about the shoes. Because usually shoes have like a white sole to them, and I love that, you know, they have it entirely covered in color, which I love. So thank you so much, ACDC Rag. It has the iconic candy print, and I have the yukata to match with it. And they have shirts and I think skirt to match with this as well. So yes, love it. Oh, wait, hold on. It says ACDC. Oh my. Well, I'm gonna shut up now, and I'm gonna show you guys more clips and stuff of me styling these shoes. So I will be back in a sec. But overall consensus, 10/10. Love these to death, and I think you guys would really love them as well. They're both pairs of shoes from Irregular Choice and from ACDC Rag. Definitely two pairs of really high quality, definitely very worth it shoes. You know, judging like by the feel and the knocking, and just like I feel like so much love has been put into designing and making both of these pairs of shoes. So I really urge you guys to check out both brands, Irregular Choice and ACDC Rag. Like I said, both of these brands are definitely very unique brands. So if you're looking for something really funky and fun to wear, I highly recommend them both. So let's hop in to the styling video and check it out. So that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed every second of it, and if you have, please consider subscribing for more colorful and J-fashion content. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!